Open an internet browser and type Arduino IDE in the search engine. Select your operating system. Select the download type. Press the download button. Press the download button. Press the No Thanks button. Press the Install button. Press the X button. Wait for the program to download and install. Press the Launch button. Press Allow Access. Select your board. For some types of boards you need to install the CH340 driver. Type in the internet browser Arduino CH340 driver download and thus you can search and download the driver.